Put your hands.
My two younger kids.
Put your hands behind your back.
Really? Put it up.
Get the up! Man, get off! Get off! Get off! Hi.
Hi.
Did you come for 4F?
Yeah, I did.
Hi.
I came to pick up my son and get him away from the...
What's his name? Are you Santino, sir?
On February 21st, 2023, an officer rolled up to a domestic dispute and tried to get answers. Nobody talked. Then one guy decided to act strange, puff up, and get aggressive. Like starting a fight with a cop was his life's mission. Karma stepped in immediately.
How many dogs you got, sir?
Don't worry about it. I'm getting my dogs out of here.
I know, I'm just trying to be helpful. So
No, I don't want your help at all. Please stay away from my dogs. Stay away from my dogs.
We got calls.
Stay away from my dogs.
We got
Stay
calls.
away from my dogs.
I'm not moving.
Stay away from my dogs.
I'm not moving,
Let him
sir.
bring his dogs out
That's what, I was asking how many dogs he has, so I know how many dogs are coming
I
out.
don't want police near my dogs.
Okay.
You can't trust the cops near your dogs, bro.
All right.
Even he agrees. Even he agrees. Oh,
Sir, I'm choosing not to argue with you. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Francisco, she called or whatever, saying whatever like to say.
Okay.
Just get your stuff, let's just go. Get ready, call. Can you walk away from the door, please? That way he can get his stuff and he can go.
Please.
I don't want to hear you. I don't want to hear you say anything. Just go. I'm trying to defuse the situation here.
Ma'am, you need to
Get
move.
my stuff.
No.
Ma'am, I'm asking you to
I
move.
can calm him down.
Now we'll
I'm
make
his
you
mother. I can calm him
You're
down.
not gonna make her move.
Then ask her to move. I asked her to
you're not
move.
gonna make her
I'm
move.
giving you a lawful order to move.
You do not touch her. You hear me?
Okay, I don't want to. That's why I asked her to move.
Come on, let's just go.
You need to calm down, please.
I've been calm this whole time.
Let's just go.
So I
What you're
asked
saying to my mom?
I asked her to move.
No. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Let's just go.
I know. I'm trying. I know. Cops are leaving.
Hold on. I need
Oh,
to
now look at it. Now he wants to be a. Look at it. Look at it.
Don't. Let go. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let go.
It's okay.
What the don't worry.
It's okay.
Let go. Let go. You guys get to walk out. You guys get to walk out. All right? Stop.
It's okay.
Let go.
No. Why are you arresting me?
I'm not. I'm trying to talk to him the whole time. Get your mom out of here. Get your mom out of here.
The cop just needed everyone to move so one guy could grab his stuff. Instead, Mom, the son, and some extra dude turned the doorway into a screaming blockade. No cooperation, all attitude. Full family meltdown, zero brain cells in sight. Pure chaos.
Hey, stop.
They're gonna do
Let go.
They're gonna do
Let go.
They're gonna do what they want
Get
to
your
do.
phone out.
Let go.
Get your phone out.
Let go.
Record.
Let go.
Just record this.
Let go.
Get your phone out and record.
Let go. Get.
My hands up.
You're not doing nothing.
Dino.
No one's trying to touch you,
Dino,
Bob.
it's okay. Dino, it's okay.
You're pushing
It's okay.
me.
I'm not touching you, sir. I'm
did.
keeping you away from her.
You did.
I'm keeping you away
I'm
from
not
her.
trying to arrest you.
I'm keeping you
okay?
away from her.
Now you got a
I'm
lawful order to
keeping you away
move.
from her.
Get off the property.
I'm glad to stand. I'm glad to stand.
Sit down.
I don't feel like sitting.
Sit down, or are you gonna sit in the back of that car?
I don't feel like sitting, bro.
Go in the back of the car.
You two get off the property.
Mom, back up.
Get his stuff.
Yes, I am. Back up.
Don't touch me.
Touch her.
Get off the property.
Back the up.
Get off the
Back
property.
the up.
Get off the property.
We're leaving.
Don't touch me. I'm not touching you.
Ow!
Really? Really? Really?
Put it out.
Get the up. Man, get off of him. Get off.
Get off! See what your pigs are? You see what your pigs are like? Huh? All right, there you go! There you go! Get off!
Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off now. Get off now. I'm telling you to get off. Get off.
Get off! Oh, you guys are pigs, you know that? You know, I'm a piece of shit of the world.
They ignored every command, wouldn't sit, wouldn't leave, and capped it off by yelling pig at the cops like it was a smart move.
Get off. Get off. You're going to get tased again.
You understand?
Get off.
She can't
I can't get up on
Stop
myself.
resisting.
I'm not resisting.
He's my
I
caregiver.
gotta get up.
No,
I gotta get up.
You're not getting up.
How am I
Stop getting
gonna
up.
leave?
Stop getting
How
up.
am I gonna leave?
Until the order leaves, not you. Get up!
I'm
Get up!
sick!
I
Get
had to
up.
be with her.
You're not going
You just
anywhere.
messed up my back more!
Get up!
I can't!
Get up!
I can't by myself!
I need to call
He's
my
my
dad.
caregiver!
I need to call my dad. You're with my mom.
I can't get up by myself! Ask her!
Let the go of me. I'm not.
Do help me!
I'm not touching you.
Can you help her up? Get up,
Let
get
go.
up.
I'm not gonna
Let
do
go of
anything.
him then!
You're not getting up.
I'm not
Let go of
gonna
him.
get up.
He's gonna help me to my truck!
Peter, come down.
I don't know why you're yelling at me, man. I just showed up. Right?
Yeah, and you like this is how you show up? This is how you show up? Wow, interesting.
So he was holding on to you.
Shut the up.
Alright.
Shut the up. He's over there.
Oh God, be careful. Go ahead and use me. Use me. I don't know why he's not listening.
Stop pushing me!
Get out of the way.
Shit!
Dude, turn around. Turn around.
I'm not even doing it!
Around.
Help me out.
Turn around.
He's not letting them!
Hey,
Back up. You're done.
Stop
Back
pushing
up.
me!
Back up.
put him on his face.
I'm not doing you guys. Just watch.
Back up, man.
Stop pushing
Get
me!
out of the way.
I have a disc. I have.
Hey, get out of the way.
I need a disc on my back.
I just gotta make sure you're gonna be chill.
Yeah, I'm chill, bro. I'm chill. I don't want anything to happen to
You
him.
gotta be tased. He's fine. Just
I
not
know,
tased.
but like he's freaking out because he sees everything that's going on. It's his motions, bro.
Okay.
He has nothing to do with this.
Okay. Get
I
inside.
cannot move that good. I'm trying to go to my truck. He won't let me. He keeps on pushing me.
Go then.
I don't want to go that way. I want to go around.
Go that way. Don't grab.
Stop!
Go that way. Go that way.
I am hurt. Ask
Okay.
her.
If you're hurt, walk that way.
Then let go of my wrist.
Walk that way.
Let go of my wrist.
That way.
Let go of my wrist.
That way.
Let go of my wrist.
Walk that way.
Another guy jumped in, yelling abuse of power while ignoring every command. Cops warned him nonstop about obstruction, but he kept running his mouth. The woman got cuffed after refusing to move, again listing a whole medical encyclopedia like it would save her.
All it was is you got tased.
You got like 6 cops here, bro.
'Cause
You say you're okay, but like you're okay. He's not okay. He's a
fight
civilian.
that harder.
You guys are the ones with guns, bro.
What is your name?
I gotta.
Hey, what is your name?
What does that have to do with what I'm freaking out about,
I'm
bro?
trying to talk to you.
No.
If she keep pushing it, yes.
No, wait.
Hey,
she has
stop.
medical problems.
Stop.
Really?
Yes.
You're not gonna see me? No, wait.
Walk
She
that
has
way. Walk that way.
I need my son's backpack.
No, you don't need nothing. You need to walk away.
I'm not under arrest.
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
I am sick.
Put your
I have
hands.
my 2 younger kids.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, David. What's going on? The babies are in the truck.
Where's the truck? What truck?
My truck.
What color is your email in here?
Bino! It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down. Calm down.
Look at what they're doing to her.
I know. They're pigs, bro. That's all they are. They're not gonna listen to you. They back themselves.
I have dislocated shoulders. Look at my shoulders.
Okay, then stop pulling away.
I'm not
It'll
trying
make it
to
easier.
walk. I
It'll
need
make it
help
easier.
to walk. I can't walk with my hands behind my back.
Well, you're under arrest, so.
I can't walk with my hands behind my back. Because I have a tendency of falling.
We're gonna make sure you don't fall.
Hold him right here. Please just. Please don't.
Hey, you bring your car up here?
They don't give a man. They don't give
Where's your
twice.
car? Have a seat, bro. Alright. You need a medical attention because we have the fire department to come check on you.
No,
Is it
check
your-
on my mom.
Your Theo?
Go check my mom.
Oh, we'll check your mom too, but is it your Theo?
Don't worry about my mom first.
Okay,
She
worry
has a
about
bunch
your
of
mom.
medical issues, bro. She can barely walk.
Yeah, my mom. Go see if they need help.
fibromyalgia. She needs help.
Oh, you're asking physical?
Oh, you okay, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah?
I'll see you.
Is your mind okay too?
Which truck? You can walk.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
Ask Eileen. Eileen, explain it to them.
Just put her in the car and be done with it.
Don't, I have shoulders.
Well, stand
My
up.
shoulders.
If you stop pushing back, we won't have to pull you.
I'm not pushing back. I'm trying to keep falling.
She stepped out of that car.
These are my son's
The silver one.
You need to put
We
her in the
came-
car and be done with it.
We came over here to
check on your kids. We'll call your husband.
769, can you unlock your unit real quick?
She told me to get it over here.
Search incident for risk.
Oh, I don't even have anything.
Here, lean against the car. Take some deep breaths.
My back.
Is your back hurt now?
Yes.
We got the fire department on the way.
Got my husband over here.
We'll call your husband in a second.
Please, I have anxiety. I have a phobia with you guys.
You have everything, ma'am.
Yes, I am, because I'm sick.
Okay.
I have fibromyalgia with chronic pain.
Do you have anything on you that can fucking stick in her right now?
No, I don't.
She's in the pajamas, bro. She's like not even like dressed to be doing anything. They're handcuffed her over there in the front of the car, way over there.
Okay, well, she's not handcuffed. It's just you and your
She is handcuffed. I saw her with her hands behind her back right now.
Okay, they were escorting her, but that's beside the fact. So, are you gonna tell me your information, man?
What about my information, bro? Give all my information from the over there. They called the cops on us.
All right. What charges you got on her?
I just got 52.5.
Okay.
I didn't even do anything. I was trying to calm my son's down. I was trying to get him out of here. To get his dogs in the damn truck.
And did you want to give a statement about what happened? Or no?
No, I don't want to. I don't know exactly what happened. All I know is that I came here because my brother called me, and
Well,
the officer
here,
that-
how about this, man? I'll read you your rights, dude, and then you can go from there. How about that?
Yeah, do
Okay.
that. Am I being arrested?
I don't know. I really don't know.
You don't know? They
So-
said I was being detained.
Yeah, you are. So
Yeah.
because you're detained, you're not free to go, right?
No,
Because
yeah,
you're in
I know.
handcuffs, right? So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court.
You guys live right here?
No, we live somewhere else.
Well, what's been going on?
Nothing. We just came over here because our brother called us because of her.
Because of your mom?
No, because of his girlfriend.
Okay.
And so she rushed over here just to come help him.
That's your brother's girlfriend right there?
Her name's Eileen.
Okay.
Santino's girlfriend's Eileen.
Okay. Is that your mom's wheelchair right there?
Yes.
Okay.
She has a back problem.
She's got back problems?
Yeah, she hurts when it hurts for her to walk.
Okay. Are you guys okay? Yeah? What about your dad? Do you guys have...
He's working.
He's working?
Come on, you guys. Call my husband. He'll explain it to you.
Listen. We're not trying to arrest you. We're not trying to take you to jail. But when you're impeding when an officer's trying... Listen. When you're impeding when an officer's trying to do his job, that's when you catch a charge.
I was trying to get my son to calm down. And then I was trying to get my other son to calm down.
Okay, if we get you out of these cuffs, are you going to stand on the side and be quiet?
I'll stand by my truck and fucking sing her.
Are you okay with that, Sarge?
Please.
Take her out.
Please, I just want to go with my kids.
Okay.
Oh,
You 52 out of?
I gotta sit down.
Okay, this is what's going to happen. Take the cuffs off her.
I gotta sit down.
Can you listen to me for a second? What's your first name?
Like I said, I just showed up after the fact, okay?
I know.
I pulled you away so that your brother, your Theo, whoever it was...
I understand how you guys work.
Okay.
And I don't agree with it, but I mean, nothing was even going on.
right.
He was getting pissed off just because he was trying to keep away from my mom. He has nothing to do. He wasn't trying to keep anybody away from me. Our situation is with me. So him getting like all handsy with my mom, there was no reason for that.
Okay.
That's what he's getting pissed off about.
So he's getting mad that the other officer was getting handsy with your mom.
Yeah.
Okay.
My mom had nothing to do with it. She barely showed up. She's trying to get my dogs out of the way before all you come over here and you guys neutralize them.
But would you like to talk about what? Like, I don't even know why.
Well, first
This
off,
whole
all
thing's
I'd
here.
like to say is the officer that pushed down my mom, he had no reason to, because she wasn't doing anything.
Okay.
She has barely any muscle to even do things. She's deteriorating every day.
Okay.
And like, he even tried tasing her. I don't know why. She was on the floor, and all I was trying to do was help her out. That's all I gotta say.
Okay. Would you like to talk about like whatever transpired before? I guess the officer showed up.
Nope. I wasn't here, so I don't know.
Okay. So you just showed up, and there's.
I just showed up. He decided to abuse his power against my mom for some God knows what reason. Maybe he was bullied in school.
The cops split everyone up, and that's when the comedy started. Each family member told a different story, blaming each other, tripping over their own lies, and accusing the officer of pushing my mom like that would fix anything.
What's your first name? This is what's going to happen. Okay, if you just want to sit there, you can sit there too, though.
I don't want to sit. I don't want to sit in my truck.
So this is what's going to happen right now. You're gonna get a criminal citation, all right? That means you're not going to jail today, all right? Just for the sake of your kids.
Help me out, please.
So you're gonna...
I can't sit on the floor either. The rocks are hurting my back. Just help me to my truck, please.
Well, we also don't want your kids listening to you be upset, so we're trying to separate from all that.
I'm trying to calm down.
Where's your truck?
She can sit on the back of it, but she's not getting in the driver's seat till we're done.
Let me sit down somewhere. Please.
There's a wheelchair. Grab that for you.
Oh, God. See, there's my wheelchair. I'm not taking
Do you just want to post up right there?
Oh, God.
All right, hang out right here and we'll get everything squared away.
Oh, back here.
He's gonna take pictures, so just put your hands straight up like that.
Okay. So who was the argument started with?
With me and my in the house over there, 4F.
Is there a girlfriend or your wife? What?
She's just a girlfriend.
Just a girlfriend? Who all lives there?
Me and her.
Just me and you. So how did your Theo and your mom...
Because she started calling the cops saying that I was breaking her shit. Bullshit lying. She said that just because I was drinking, that, oh, they're not gonna believe you and this and that. Obviously, you can see my lips are getting dry.
Yeah.
Fuck. Bro, she started calling the cops, so I tried to call my mom, get my dogs out of here, get all my shit before, like, anything. Like, you go look inside, it's clean as bro. I cleaned the house. Okay. Her breaking her shit, she freaked out because I didn't want to pick up the shit inside my room.
I don't have
water.
Can one of you guys ask her if I can have a cup of water?
She's being talked to right now.
That's my son and her. They're both on the lease.
To be honest, it would have been fine if that cop didn't show up and get all scared because my brother's like twice the size of him, you know.
I can't answer for that call, man. I can only answer for myself.
Yeah, I heard the taser go off.
Yeah.
He must have been scared.
Yeah, so...
Yeah, if he's that scared, I don't know why he's doing it before, so I'm just saying.
But like I said, I can't answer for him.
It's not for everybody, right?
It's not.
Yeah, right.
You're
You should probably talk to that guy.
So that's between him and your brother and everything that he has to answer for?
Well, yeah, that and like whatever, you know, family he has protecting, because obviously he's
so
not...
like that's what the only thing that I know of is the story that you told me, okay?
Right.
So I only know everything that you told me, okay? So I do, because you were involved in all this stuff, and also I do need your info, okay, man?
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, man, you want to step out?
Come on.
Piece of car real quick.
And I want to take this off. You'll get all your stuff back, alright?
In the end, she walked away with a criminal citation, the bargain bin version of consequences. He wasn't so lucky. Resisting arrest, battery on a peace officer, and causing a disturbance, karma handed out the receipts, and his bill was heavy.